Hey guys, in this piece of video, we are going to see what is Python programming language and its features. And welcome to our channel. What is Python? Python was developed by Guido van Rossum, was released on February 1991. Python possesses the following characteristics of programming languages. It is a high-level programming language, general purpose, garbage collected, dynamically typed, and an interpreted language, executes its statements line by line. Later part in this video, we will get clarified about high-level language, garbage collected, dynamically typed, and interpreted language. It is a free and open source language with very simple and clean syntax. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including object-oriented programming, functional, and procedural programming. Python is a cross-platform programming language, which means that it can run on multiple platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even been ported to the Java and .NET virtual machines. It is meant for its simplicity and the ability to achieve multiple functionalities in a few lines of code. Python's popularity is growing tremendously. Used in machine learning, artificial intelligence, web development, web scraping, and various other domains. Supports powerful computations using powerful libraries. Python code, easy to read and understand, which making it a great choice for beginners and experts. Can save time and reduce errors in the development process. As we know, Python is an interpreted language, which means that code is executed by an interpreter rather than being compiled into machine code. This makes it easy to write and test code. Python has a large and active community of developers who have created a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks for the language. These include popular libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib for scientific computing and data analysis, as well as web frameworks like Django and Flask for web development. Python is used for web development, software development, connect to database systems, handle big data, and perform complex mathematics. System scripting.
The latest version of Python is Python 3. Python can be written in a text editor and IDE such as Thonny, PyCharm, NetBeans, or Eclipse.
High-level programming languages are easier for humans to read, write, and understand. More user-friendly than low-level languages. Typically use natural language-like syntax and structures, which is more similar to human languages. Generally more productive than low-level languages. Provide a wide range of built-in functions and libraries, which makes it easier to perform complex tasks without having to write huge amounts of code. High-level languages are usually platform-independent. High-level languages can be compiled or interpreted depending on the language and the implementation. High-level languages are often used for a wide range of applications, including scientific computing, data analysis, web development, game development, and more. Some popular high-level programming languages are Python, Java, Ruby, and JavaScript. With interpreted programming languages, code is executed directly from the source code without intermediate compilation step. Source code is interpreted line by line and executed by an interpreter. Because interpreted languages are not compiled. Not in need of recompiling the entire program. Interpreted languages have built-in debugging tools which can make it easier to identify and fix errors in the code. Interpreted languages can be slower than compiled languages because the code must be interpreted line by line during runtime. Some examples of interpreted programming languages: Python, JavaScript, PHP, Ruby, Perl. Before knowing dynamically typed, we should know about what typing is. Typing is refers to type checking in programming languages. Dynamic type checking is the process of verifying the type safety of a program at runtime. For an example, Python is a strongly typed language. The result of the above arithmetic operation is a type error, since these languages don't allow for type coercion. Here, a string value cannot be summed up with an integer value. At the same time, JavaScript is a weakly typed language, will simply output. As result, type checking can be done at two stages: static typed, dynamic typed. Garbage collection is a form of automatic memory management. The garbage collector attempts to reclaim memory, which was allocated by the program, but is no longer referenced. Such memory is called garbage. Python is a popular programming language used across a wide range of industries and job roles. Here are some of the common job titles where core Python is one of the mandatory skills: Python developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, DevOps engineer, full stack developer, data engineer, research analyst. Overall, Python is a versatile, easy to learn, and well-supported programming language, emphasize the importance of simplicity, readability, and maintainability in code that can be used for a wide range of applications. Used for from small scripts to large-scale web applications and scientific computing projects. These are some of the main reasons why Python has become such a popular choice among developers. Thank you. Once again, we will meet you in another piece of video.